Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Etsy Fall Trend Guide for 2019. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, subscribe today. And also make sure that you learn more about my free Etsy course that's coming out soon, where I teach you how to make money selling digital goods on Etsy. So if you're interested in learning more about that, I will leave the link below this video and also in the comment section. So let's dive into this video. So Etsy sent out an email about a week ago, and this is the email. When you click on it, this is where it takes you, and it shows you top 2019 style trends for fall. So if you are in any of these categories, this is a great article that you should be reading to stay updated with what's trending on Etsy. And if you're able to apply those changes to your Etsy shop, it should really help you convert and make more sales. So I kind of wanted to do a video about it because I feel like many Etsy sellers don't check their emails, or maybe they didn't sign up for notifications. So just in case you missed it, I wanted to just go ahead and talk about it a little bit more. So when you click on the link and go here, and I will leave the link below as well if you want to check it out. This is the top editor's pick, like people that work from Etsy. They analyze all the Etsy stores and they see what's currently trending. And this is from Diana Johnson. She's amazing. And these are the freshest pieces of the season that she believes are the trending ones for fall of 2019. So a lot of it is like silk scarves. A lot of it is brooches, hair accessories, flower hairpins, which are super cute, pearl hoops, which I love these right here, charm bracelets, patchwork pieces like these. I love the jacket. Suit sets, urban cowgirl. Who doesn't love French, right? I love French. And then it even has a section for the guys, which is really interesting because I don't think I ever seen a section particularly for just guys. And then also it has like home decor trends, so the things that are trending right now, art decor, revival, trending in weddings. So this kind of has a little bit of every category. Also has discover more, so you can actually go in there and look at men back to school style accessories that are under $50. The best Etsy posts from social media, which is really interesting as well. So it's a great way to stay updated with any Etsy changes, and you could kind of see if you get influenced or if you get inspired to create something similar or even better that you could actually sell on your store. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will link this video below, and don't forget to show me some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.